Hello everyone. Good morning, my dear students of LKG class. How are you all today? I hope you all are fine. You all are in good health and you all are enjoying our learning from home program of Bluebells Foundation School, Bhopal. Yes? Good. So this is your class teacher Arshi ma'am and I wish you all a very happy, lovely, wonderful good morning to my lovely students. And welcome to today's class. I welcome you all to today's class. Are you all ready for today's class? Yes? Good. So let's start. What is the day today? My dear students, what is the day today? Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Everybody say with a happy face. Everybody say today is Tuesday. Happy day. New day. Today is Tuesday. Yay. So let's start, my dear students. What is today's date? Today is 17th August 2021. Okay, and the day is Tuesday. And you all study in which class? LKG class. Okay, students. So are you all ready for your work? For your classes? Yes. So take out your English worksheet. Have a look. This is our English worksheet. You can check today's date on the top left side, 17th August. And this is our English worksheet. What we will learn today? We will learn to write cursive letter from starting from A to T. A to T. We will learn to write today all together. Yesterday we have learned T. Yes. So today we will revise from all together starting from A to T. So everybody ready? Yes. So be ready with your writing materials. Take out your pencils, sharpeners and erasers and be ready for writing letter A to T. Cursive letter A to T. Okay, so shall we start? Are you all ready? Let's begin. First of all, make A. This is A. What is this? A. A for apple. What is the sound of A? A. Apple. Okay. Next, write B. B. B for ball. Sound of B is B. Okay. Clear? Written everybody? Letter P. Cursive letter P. B. Cursive B. Written? Now next, write C. This is C. What is this? C. C for cat. C for cap. What is the sound of C? K. K is the sound of C. Written? Written everybody? Completed writing C. Now next letter D. This is D. What is this? D. D for doll. Sound of D. What is the sound that we get from D? D. Doll. Okay. Done. Now write E in the next line. Second line. Write down E. Okay. This is E. E for egg. E for engine. What is the sound that we get from E? E. E. Engine. E. Egg. Okay. Done. E. Now F. Write down F. This is F. What is this? F. F for fan. F for fish. What is the sound that we get from F? F. Fish. F. Fan. F. Okay. Written everybody F. Now write G. Like this. G is written like this. Written everybody G. G for gate. What is the sound of G? G. Yes? Understood? Written everybody G. Now next write H. This is how we write H. Cursive letter H. H. H for honey. What is the sound that we get from H? H. H is the sound of H. Understood? Written everybody H. Now come to next line. Third line. Write I. This is I. I for ink. I for igloo. What is the sound of I? I. Ink. I. Igloo. Understood? Written everybody I. Yes, now write J. This is J. What is this? J. J for jug. What is the sound that we get from J? J. Okay, this is J. Written everybody J. Now write next letter K. This is how we write cursive letter K. K for kangaroo. K for kite. What is the sound of K? K. Okay, written everybody K. Understood the sound of K, and have you completed writing K? Yes. Now next letter write L. L. This is L. What is this? L. L for lamp. What is the sound of L? L. L is the sound of L. Written everybody L. Understood the sound of L? L. Okay, now come to the next line. Okay, write M. Like this. M is written like this. Okay, 3 strokes we have to make in M. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, understood? This is M. M for monkey. M. What is the sound of M? M. M is the sound of the letter M. Written everybody M. Now next letter write N. Okay, in N we make 2 strokes. 1 and 2. Like this. N is written like this. What is this? N. N for nest. N for nose. What is the sound of N? N. Okay. Everybody written? N. Now write next letter O. We will write O. Like this. This is how we write cursive letter O. Okay student, this is how O is written. O for octopus. O. O is the sound of O. Octopus. Onion. O. So the sound we get from O is O. Okay, understood the sound of O? Written everybody O. Now write P. Next letter is P. We'll write P like this. This is how P is written. P. P for parrot. What is the sound of P? P. Parrot. P. Understood? Written everybody P? Yes. Now come to the next line. Q. Next letter is Q. Okay. This is how we write cursive letter Q. Q. Q for queen. What is the sound that we get from Q? Qu. Qu. Queen. Understood? Understood the sound? Written everybody completed writing Q? Yes. Now write R. Next letter R. R is written like this. R for rabbit. R for rat. What is the sound that we get from letter R? R. Rabbit. R. Rose. R. Okay, understood the sound and completed writing letter R? Yes? Good. Now, next letter we will write S. How S is written? Like this. Everybody look carefully and make S. Like this. S. What is this? S. S for sun. What is the sound of S? S. Okay? Understood? Written everybody S? Good. Now, next letter T. Yesterday we have learned to write T. So, write T. Like this. This is how T is written. T. This is T. T for tiger. T for tap. What is the sound of T? T. T is the sound of T. Okay, everybody written T and understood the sound of T? So now we have written all the cursive letters. We have learned till today the letters starting from cursive letters starting from A to T. Okay. So did you all have completed? Have you all completed writing letter A to T? Yes. Good. So now English work is over. Turn your pages now to next page. What we have next is Hindi. Okay. सब अपने सारे बच्चे, मेरे प्यारे प्यारे बच्चे, मेरे क्यूट क्यूट बच्चे, एलकेजी क्लास के बच्चे हिंदी की वर्कशीट ओपन करेंगे. सेकंड पेज, हिंदी की वर्कशीट. ये हमारी हिंदी की वर्कशीट है. हमको क्या करना है हिंदी में, क्या सीखेंगे आज हम? व्यंजन क से लेकर थ तक लिखेंगे. व्यंजन क से थ तक हम आज अपनी हिंदी की वर्कशीट में लिखेंगे. ओके. सो एवरीबडी रेडी? सब रेडी हैं? ओके. So just wait for some time. By the time I'll rub the board for you all. Okay students. हिंदी के व्यंजन क से लेकर थ तक लिखने के लिए आप सब रेडी हैं? Good. ओके. तो सबसे पहले हम लिखेंगे व्यंजन क. ओके. सब रेडी हैं? सबसे पहले हमारा व्यंजन है हिंदी का क. सब लिखिए क. क से कबूतर. क से कबूतर लिख लिया सभी बच्चों ने? क से कबूतर. नेक्स्ट, क के बाद आता है ख. ख से खरगोश. ख से खरबूजा. ख. ओके. लिख लिया सबने ख. नेक्स्ट अब लिखेंगे हम ग. ग से गमला. ग से गाजर. ओके. सबने लिख लिया ग तक. नेक्स्ट क्या आता है? घ. घ से घड़ी. घ से घर. घ लिख लिया सभी बच्चों ने घ. अब नेक्स्ट होता है ड़ खाली. ड़ खाली. ओके. ये है ड़ खाली. सभी बच्चों ने ये लिख लिए. फर्स्ट लाइन कंप्लीट. नाउ कम टू सेकेंड लाइन. च से चम्मच. च से चम्मच. च से चरखा. च सबने लिख लिया च. नेक्स्ट च के बाद छ. छ से छाता. छ से छाता. ओके स्टूडेंट, सबने लिख लिया छ. नेक्स्ट ज. ज से जग. ज से जग. ये है ज. क्या है ये? ज. ज से जग. सभी स्टूडेंट्स ने लिख लिया? यस. नाउ नेक्स्ट झ. ये क्या है? झ. झ से झरना. झ से झंडा. क्या है ये? झ. लिख लिया सभी ने झ तक. इसके बाद आता है इया खाली. इया खाली. ऐसे बनाते हैं इया. ये है इया खाली. सबने लिख लिया इया खाली तक? यस. सो अब हमारी 2 लाइंस कंप्लीट हो गई हैं. अब थर्ड लाइन पे आ जाइए सब लोग. थर्ड लाइन पे सबसे पहले क्या आता है? ट. ट से टमाटर. ट से टमाटर. ओके. सबने लिख लिया ट से टमाटर. नेक्स्ट ठ. ठ से ठठेरा. ठ से ठठेरा. ओके. नेक्स्ट ड. ये क्या है? ड. ड से डफली. ड से डमरू. ड. सबने लिख लिया ड? यस. गुड. इसके बाद आता है ढ. ढ से ढक्कन. ढ से ढक्कन. सभी ने लिख लिया ढ? यस. गुड। इसके बाद आता है ण, ण खाली, ण ऐसे बनाते हैं ण, ण खाली। ओके स्टूडेंट, सबने लिख लिया ण तक, ण खाली तक। 3 लाइंस कंप्लीटेड हो गई हमारी। ओके, अब लास्ट लाइन में हम लिखेंगे। सबसे पहले क्या आता है? त, त से तरकश, त से तरबूज, त से तरबूज। ओके, सबने लिख लिया त। इसके बाद नेक्स्ट थ, थ हमने कल पढ़ा है, कल पढ़ा ना और लिखना सीखा था व्यंजन थ। थ से थर्मस, थ से क्या होता है? थ से थर्मस। कैसे बनाते हैं? एक राउंड, इसके बाद ऐसा कर्व, उसके बाद एक और कर्व, और ऊपर से स्टैंडिंग लाइन है, ऊपर से स्लीपिंग लाइन। थ, ये क्या है? थ से थर्मस, थ से थर्मस। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लिख लिया सभी ने थ से थर्मस? यस, कंप्लीटेड। सबका वर्क कंप्लीट हो गया। तो आज हमने क्या लिखा है? व्यंजन क से लेकर थ तक हमने हिंदी के व्यंजन लिखे हैं। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हो गया हमारा हिंदी का वर्क कंप्लीट। गुड। सो दैट वाज ऑल फॉर टुडे। टुडेज क्लास इज ओवर। I hope you liked today's class. I hope you enjoyed writing English cursive letters and Hindi ke vyanjan. Yes? Good. So we will meet tomorrow again for next classes. Okay, till then, take good care of yourselves. Don't watch mobile all day long. It is not good for your eyes and not good for your health. Okay? Stay at your home only. Stay at your home, sweet home. Don't go out and don't eat outside food. Okay, no eating junk food, only eating healthy fruits and vegetables and healthy food, home cooked food. Okay, and be a good child, obedient child. Wash your hands properly. Yes, will you be a good child? Good. So bye bye. Take care of yourselves. Take very good care of yourselves. Okay, we will meet again for tomorrow's next classes. Till then, bye. Take care of yourself. Bye. Happy learning to all of you.